Hi, welcome to Take Rudransi. We are learning Java, and in this part we will understand operators. So different types of operators like relational operators, logical operators, ternary operators we will see in this part, and with that also we will understand switch and case statement. So let's create a project and write a code and understand operators in a Java. So this is my simple Java application, and this is the main method, and here we will write a code. So first understand relational operators, right? So let's create a variable, integer type of variable, and I'm giving its name is age, and generate the random number like this, made that random into 50, and let's cost it because we have a store in an integer, so it will generate a random number. So let's put a condition to understand relational operators. So if age is greater than 25, so we will show the message system.out.println. So your age is greater than 25, right? Whatever random number will generate, if greater than 25 it will show this message, right? So let's copy and paste to understand less than, right? This is a greater than and less than. So if age is less than 40, like this, and show the message to the user in a console. So age is less than 40. So let's copy, this is greater than, less than, and now we will understand equal to. So else if and equal to any value equal to 20, right? If age is 20, we can show the message to the user your age is 20 if random number generate equal to 20, right? And also we will understand not operator, right? Not equal to 10. If your age is not 10, right, not equal to 10, you can show the message to the user in a console your age is not 10. If any condition is not satisfy here, we will show the message, and this block, else block, will run, and this message will we can say in a console. So random age is not work. So now to understand, let's run this project. So now its age is greater than 25. Compile again and again, and see the result. Age is 25, age is 40, age is less than 40, right? Any result we can show because the random number every time it's changed. So now age is greater than 25, and this message is running, we can show. So relational operators, less than, greater than, equal to, and not equal to, we have seen. This operators is called relational operators. Now understand logical operators. So let's again create a if condition and put it false in a single bracket, in a bracket. So this is the false, right? If this condition is false, so now we are saying this is the false. So I turn false into true. So what we need to do is just put it exclamation mark to make false into true. So this is called a logical operator, right? So let's okay, let's copy and let's first run this. So I turn false into true. So to understand AND operator, so let's remove this one in a logical operator. So put it double AND sign, and like this, true, and this is true, means both the conditions should be true. So this block will be run. So let's again to understand OR operator. So one is true, one is false. So this one is true, okay, one is true and one is false. You can see one condition should be true and one condition should be false. So this code block will run, and put it pipe symbol. So let's copy. So now we need to understand ternary operators, because this video is what operators in a Java. So I am showing you everything what we need, right? So one value is 10, and create another integer type of a variable, and value 2 is 20. You can store any values, right? So let's create any variable and put it condition like if and as, right? If means like this: if value 1 is less than value 2, means if it is, we know that value 1 is small than value 2. So this just question mark and one value and colon value 2, you can put if condition is true, this one value is print, and if condition is false, value 2 is print. So let's system.out.println and understand how it works. So let's copy the biggest value of the variable and paste it here. So it will show a value 1 means 10, right? Whatever if this condition is true, here whatever you will type, right? I'm putting it 100,000, any value, right? It will print. And if this is false, it will run a 20, because 100 and colon and value 2, right? If you don't understand, please write a comment. I will help you to understand this ternary operator. So now we will understand switch case statement. So character, put it character type of a variable, and I'm storing it C, and you can store anything inside, but only one letter. So put it switch like this. So our program has an error. So what is the error? We just put it small c and replace double quotation to a single, right? Just remember that, right? So let's copy the grade and paste it here, and put some cases to match our grade. So case A, B, C, D we will write. So if case A is matched to a grade C, so we will show the message system.out.println grade job and put it break sign, break, right? So let's run. So now it's nothing showing because it's not matching. And now A, when we put A, it will match this block, right? So just put it for B and change the message, a good job, and let's run, right? So it's still showing a great job because our grade is A, you can see, and just replace to a B, so it will show a good job, you can see. It's pretty simple, and right? So let's copy and paste for grade C. Just put it C, and C for OK, and save, and just copy one more time D, and bad. And if any condition is not matched, means default, right? This block will run. Whatever you will type, a calculation, mathematics, functions, anything you can put in any cases, right? A, B, C, D, any cases will run that block. So good job. So B, C, D, good job, right? So simple, because our grade is B. So when we change to any other character which is not present in our cases, so it shows you failed, right? So today we have seen conditions,